Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable auto-translate on Webull account. So first we're going to go to the Webull app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the profile section on the lower right corner. Then next we're going to click on our profile. Then we're going to click on settings on the top right corner. So as you can see, there's the auto-translate button. You're going to turn it on. So from now on, any language will be translated to the one you want. It will be auto-translated, but this is done mostly by external vendors. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step, but an important one. As I told you, you guys can find this app in the App Store, Play Store, such a full cryptocurrency and trading app. So make sure you download it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.